100 days na transition is yung transparency and accountability and empowering the audit people, yung COA, na hanggang do sa Intel Fund, hanggang do sa confidential fund, discretionary fund, ma-audit siya ng mga COA natin, hindi lang pirma kailangan. Kahit presidente ka pa ng Pilipinas, i-audit, general ka, i-audit ka, wala. Non-negotiable. Every centavo na nakuha mo sa Treasury Department, sa ating as budget, nakuha mong pera, you have to spend it wisely, thriftily, and with the proper accountability and auditing. Period. Non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Kaya kung kayo sa transition team, council, kung doon tayo pupunta sa option 6,